I'm in room 8147 at Coronado Springs Resort. It is building 8A, Cabanas section. And there are 2 queen beds. And it is a corner room. So that provides you with, I'll show you, 2 windows. We just walked in the door. I literally requested this exact room, and they gave me the exact room. Do you notice it says happy anniversary? How special is that? We've been married 26 years, and they actually put happy anniversary on our TV screen. I love all the ample space with the desk, the drawers, the bed. It feels very clean. The barn slider doors, the bathroom, nice and clean and big. And the bathroom itself has quite a lot of space, especially for a moderate resort. And there is a way to turn off this fan in here. I figured it out on my last day with my daughter. I'll have to figure it out. That's how. There's a light switch here. You just push that in and the fan will go off if you want it off. If not, it's motion censored. But it does stay on quite a long time if you don't. Very clean. Awesome. Time for another great stay. But they did give me my exact room request. And that is 8147 Cabanas Building 8A. And our view from the window, not him, even though that's a view. We have the back of the swimming pool. Nice little shaded spot there. And a lake view. Turn it up, baby. Welcome, Gossip family. 76 degrees. We're in our room by 1 o'clock. It's 1:09, but about 1 is when we pretty much walked in the door. It is New Year's Eve this weekend. We really lucked out. Best part is we can do whatever we want.
It's way too cold.
Yeah, cold. Are you joking? I know you're kidding. I love the Christmas touch. Ta-da. Lord, we are like the worst.